Hello students, welcome to our SS class. Today we will read lesson 9 Water Resources part 4. In this chapter we read water is the most precious natural resource on earth. It is the basis of all life forms. We can't live without water. So let's continue our chapter. Our next topic is water conservation. Water conservation is a practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water uses. बेटा वाटर कंजर्वेशन का अर्थ है जल संरक्षण मीन्स जल को बचाना। बेटा आपने देखा है कि हम पानी के बिना जीवित नहीं रह सकते, तो हमें पानी का दुरुपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें इसे बचाना चाहिए। बेटा इसका अर्थ है जल के प्रयोग को घटाना और इसका पुनर्चक्रण रिसाइकलिंग करना ताकि हम इसे दोबारा से यूज़ कर सकें। बेटा इसी को ही वाटर कंजर्वेशन कहते हैं। We now understood the importance of water for the survival of all the living organisms. As the water available for us is only very less, there is a need for conservation of water. Never waste water. This is the best method of conservation. If possible, try to reuse it. For example, water used for cleaning dishes can be redirected to plants. Some other tips to saving water. Never leave the tap open while brushing or cleaning dishes. Do not leave leaky tap, as such get them repaired. Take bath with water from a bucket rather than using a shower. Construction of reservoir or dams is also a better means of water conservation. Rainwater harvesting. This is a system which rainwater falls on the roof of houses is collected and flow through pipes to storage tank. This water is filtered and used for household purpose.